Hi everyone, how are you? I'm Sil and this is Slow Easy English. In this lesson, I'm going to look at the different ways we use the words after and in. They basically mean the same thing, but they're used a little differently. In my last video, I talked about the difference between before and ago. Well, that is when you're talking about the past or something that happened before now or before another event. And here we're going to talk about how to talk about events that happen in the future, either after now or after another event. So first, let's look at the word in and how to use that. So the word in is similar to the word ago, because when we use the word in, we are talking about an event that happens after now, the moment you're speaking. So, for example, today is July 9th, and let's say that I will go to Italy on September 12th. Then I can say, I will go to Italy in 2 months. Okay, so now let's look at the word after. The word after is used when we are talking about an event happening after another event. If it's after now, if it's from now, then we say in. If it's from another event, then we use the word after. So today is July 9th, and let's say I will go to Italy in 2 months, so in September. And I will go to Spain in 3 months, October. Now I can say I will go to Spain 1 month after going to Italy. Let's look at one more quick example with the word after. Let's say I ate dinner at 7 p.m. and I took my medication at 8 p.m. So here I can say I took my medication an hour after eating dinner. And that's it. It's quite simple, isn't it? So just remember that in is talking about something in the future from now. After is talking about an event in the future after another event. And of course, if you remember in the other video, ago and before work very similarly. If you don't remember that, or if you didn't see that video, go check it out. So that's it for my video today. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.